Have you ever looked at someone else's website and thought, why does their text look so clean? Or how are their images so sharp and fast? Whether you're a small business owner or building your personal brand, your website actually matters. And hi, my name is Aminat. I help businesses build strong brands and professional websites that not only looks good, but amazing. And I make sure it actually works for them. So today I'm going to show you a simple way to check your own website or even peek at what other businesses are doing using just your browser. Yes, you heard me right. So let's face it, if your fonts are too small or hard to read, visitors might click away. And if your images are huge and slow, it might slow down the speed of your website, especially if you're on mobile. So the good news is that you don't need to hire a developer or buy tools. I will walk you through how to do it with just your browser. So let's get straight into the video. So right now, I'm currently on a website I built for a client. You can open any website of your choice, whether it's an external website or say for example you got an inspiration from a website and you like the feel maybe the color, or you want to know about the font used, you can navigate to that website, and all you have to do is right click on the website, click on inspect to a panel on the right hand side. Don't worry about all this coding stuff. These are the all the details about the whole website. So all you have to do is just um, click on this arrow on the top of the panel here. Once you click on the arrow, you can move your mouse or just over your mouse over anything you want to get information about. So for example, my mouse is on product. I can move it here just to see the whole thing. So my mouse is on this browse our latest products. I want to get the information about this particular font. So I can see the color of the font used on this to be FFFF. That's like the color code is white, and the font itself have the size of 52 pixel. The typography used is sans serif. I can see every other detail about this. If I want to check maybe a particular section on a website and I want to use the same section, just say I like the way this section looks and I want to get the dimension used so that I can apply it to my website. You don't need to hire another developer for this. You just need to get the information here. Um, this dimension is saying is 570.75 by 652.64. So that's all it takes for you to get information about this. If you want to do some tweak changes, so this is a Shopify website, for example. Shopify is kind of okay. So let's say your developer hand over your website to you, and you want to do some tweak on the back end of your Shopify website, and maybe you find like an inspiration on another website that you like. Maybe you like a particular font. You can actually navigate on the back end of your Shopify store and pick the dimension or maybe the font used for a particular word on your website and just tweak it on back end. You understand what I mean? So yeah, so it's as very straightforward as that. This is the dimension used here. If I over here, I'll see everything about this particular section. Uploaded this from my laptop, and this is the dimension for this section. So I'm giving you the dimension for the section, not the dimension for the images itself. So I uploaded these images from my laptop, and this is just the dimension for this. So it's as simple as that. And that's it, guys. With just a few clicks, you can check how your font and images are working and make smarter decisions to improve your website. So checking out your competitors, what your competitors are doing is very important, and it will allow making your site looks as professional as your businesses or brand is. So checking your font and images are two simple things that makes a huge difference in how professional and polished your website looks. Again, my name is Aminat, and I create websites that helps businesses stand out and connect with the right people. If you found my video helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe, and also drop a comment. And if you want me to cover a specific topic next time, you can also leave that in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you're working on, and see you on the next one. Bye.